Well, the power of four-wheel drive means that I don't have to shovel the snow at all, and I got out of my apartment, got out the driveway, very easy. Frog's Neck Bridge, one of the bridge going toward the Bronx. Yeah, it was snowing like crazy yesterday, right? The parks department already shuffled up this parking lot. We're just having an afternoon stroll on the snowy hill up ahead. And we'll see what we can do there. Looks dry over that way under the bridge. The powdery snow is perfect for sliding, but there's no snowball and snowman involved. I can hear the screaming though. That's where people are having fun. That slope over there. Yeah, get on, hop on. Ah! Yo! You want to go a little more? Sit down. Hi. I'm too old for this. Was it fun? I hope it was fun for you. Let's go up the hill and slide you down there, okay? Yeah, go! Go, go, go! Yeah! Yeah! Oh. Oh yeah, that one was bad. Okay, you push me. Okay. Whoa! It's like pinball. Alright, let's go get the kid. Come on, get up. Get up before somebody smash into you again. Come on.
Huh? That was fun, buddy.
This is a traffic hotspot. Come on. Oh, she's at it again. Well, look how fast she goes. I go sled, okay? I'll see you guys. Whoa! This time we go together, okay? With this thing, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, don't go yet. Okay, let daddy sit down. And your turn. First sit down. Make sure you point at something that you can see, okay? Like this, okay? Okay, are we going?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Hey, no, this one doesn't count. Let's go one more time, okay? Yeah. Okay, we're going. Ready? Thank you. Yeah, we went so far. Yeah, this is our track. This is our track. Yeah, you're right. We can see our track from the sunlight. Yeah, very cool. What are you doing? Are you tired already? Come on, let's go. Bye bye. They look pretty abandoned. Right. That was a fun day. Let's head back. Oh. What just happened? What just happened? You didn't have a sled. What happened? You just slide off and on your body?
No.
You did a body slide?